that there will be such warm water with such beautiful, like, it would be, okay, but I can make it go up a little and then try to enter a little bit, I guess, with the jeans. So I can take you guys in a little. Not too deep, but a little bit. No way! How did they go there? I'll go there too a little bit. Over there. 저 사람들은 저기 어떻게 갔지? 나도 저기 가고 싶은데. 입수는 수영복 안 갖고 와서 못할 것 같고 잠깐 조금만 들어가려고요. I'm just gonna go in a little bit. Yeah, let's go there a bit later. Ooh. All the way from afar, the sky is kind of nice. And the sun came out a little bit, but disappeared again by the cloud. Oh. Ow! Okay. 아, 좀 차갑긴 하네. It's a little cold. Not too bad though. Look at the blue sky. No, blue water. It's a bit cold, yeah. When I touched it with the water, when I touched it with the hand, it felt lukewarm. But when I actually enter with my feet, I think it is a little cold. But also not too cold, actually. Just a little cold. Okay, next time. Because we're traveling around the Croatia beach side, and then we're gonna be able to see so many beautiful crystal blue like beaches and stuff. I'll just wear swimming suit every day. Frog feet. Let's go there. Should we go there? But we're not only going to like a beach side also, because you like a little inside of within the Croatia, not the beach side, but a little inside of the country, there's two really beautiful looking national park with massive waterfall. Super pretty. It's national park. It's super pretty. I saw the picture. It's super pretty. And they have internet. So I'm gonna take you guys there too. A waterfall and then some kind of like super pretty lake, forest and stuff. Yeah. I think you can swim there too. Some of the places is really big. So I will still wear a swimming suit. But that part is not a beach. It's like foresty, and then they have waterfall and then like lake, or not lake, well, waterfall, and then somewhere that I can swim like nearby the waterfall, like super pretty, crazy pretty. Probably when the weather gets better. Tour. Yeah, I think you can do rowboat as well. Rowboat. 너무 이쁘다. 우리 한번 저기 가봅시다. Let's try going there. If only if I could swim well, dude. I could like swim all the way there.
Thank you for bringing us beautiful beaches. Water is so clear.
Thank you, Yuyu. Thank you for $10. 감사합니다. Thank you, Shisha. I know, isn't it so nice? Let's try going there and then see from the view over there. But yeah, this place is really nice. It's a little cold, but I think you'll get used to it. 좀 춥긴 한데, 有一点冷,水有一点冷,不错, but it's not bad. 진짜 어떻게 이렇게 물이 clear하지? 말도 안 돼. Ow. Now, and then also all the pebbles are like rock. It's not soft. So it's like feet massage, automatic feet massage. Whoa. That hooves dance game? Alex, why are you pretending that you don't like feet? I know you love feet. You fucking feet lover. Might as well just change your name to feet loving Alex. Stop pretending that you don't like feet, Alex. We all know who you are and what you like. That's right. Okay. Go out. But good thing about pebble is, like, for example, when you go to the beach area and then the sand would get all like stuck to your like body and then kind of like difficult to like remove, right? But because it's just all rock, it's very easy to, like, there's no sand getting stuck to your body problem. Whoa, 되게 엄청, see, they're all rocks. So pretty. Look at this. Okay, let me wear socks while you guys enjoy ASMR.